Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Rough Riderz fender flares from Stampede on this Ford F-150. These flares have an aggressive bolt-on look without the tedious installation. The Rough Riderz flares are form-fitting and make a bold statement on any truck. While these flares look cool, they also help keep rocks, mud, and debris off of your truck. They're resistant to harsh weather and won't fade or chip over time. The Rough Riderz fender flares are available in standard finish or a textured black finish like on this truck here. With this installation, there's no cutting or drilling required, so it's super straightforward, and we rate it a 2 out of 10 and it'll take you about an hour to complete it. The Rough Riderz fender flares from Stampede are proudly made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Rough Riderz fender flares from Stampede. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also, check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator, where you can find a dealer near you who'd be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.